Welcome to our channel, Explorers. Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered about our place in the universe? Today, we embark on a journey that intertwines scientific curiosity with a touch of human fear, the end of the world as we know it. We're diving deep into the shocking predictions made by two of the greatest minds in history, Albert Einstein and Stephen Hawking. These brilliant physicists, who unraveled the secrets of the cosmos, also left behind haunting warnings about our future. Could they have been right? Stay tuned as we unveil NASA's recent findings that eerily echo these predictions and point towards a specific date for the end of our world. Albert Einstein, with his revolutionary theory of relativity, redefined our understanding of gravity and the universe. Stephen Hawking, a brilliant mind, explored the enigmatic world of black holes and the very fabric of space-time. These two titans of science, though separated by time, shared a chilling commonality in their predictions: the end of our world. Einstein feared a self-inflicted demise, nuclear war, environmental devastation. Hawking's warnings leaned towards threats from the cosmos, rogue asteroids, collapsing stars, even alien civilizations. And now, NASA has made an announcement that sends shivers down our spines. Based on complex astronomical calculations, they have pinpointed a date, a terrifying deadline for the end of life as we know it. The date remains classified, shrouded in secrecy, fueling speculation and fear. Einstein, beyond his scientific brilliance, was a philosopher at heart. He believed in the power of imagination and the interconnectedness of all things. Hidden within his theories, some argue, are clues to a higher truth, a cosmic consciousness. Hawking, known for his sharp wit, also hinted at something more profound. He questioned the nature of reality, the possibility of multiple universes, and a grand design beyond our comprehension. Could their warnings be interpreted differently, not as a literal end, but as a transformation, a cosmic shift in consciousness? Some scholars believe that Einstein's famous equation, E equals mc squared, holds the key to unlocking our true potential. Perhaps the end they predicted is not an end at all, but a beginning. A chance to shed our limitations and embrace a future where humanity reaches its full potential. NASA has always maintained a delicate balance between transparency and secrecy. The recent announcement, hinting at a calculated date for the end of the world, has sent shockwaves through the scientific community. The fact that NASA has not outright denied the existence of this date, but instead chosen to remain tight-lipped, only adds fuel to the fire. Whispers of a classified report, detailing the specific threat and the timeline of events, circulate through the deepest corners of the internet. Some speculate that it involves a rogue planet on a collision course with Earth. Others point to the increasing frequency of solar flares, powerful bursts of energy from the sun that could cripple our technology. Then there are those who believe the threat is not from space itself, but from the consequences of our own actions. Climate change, with its rising sea levels and extreme weather events, could very well be the catalyst for our demise. While NASA remains silent, the evidence is mounting, pointing towards a future where our time on this planet is rapidly running out. Stephen Hawking, in the twilight of his life, issued a series of stark warnings to humanity. These weren't the musings of a man afraid of death, but the calculated pronouncements of a brilliant mind. He warned us about the dangers of artificial intelligence, arguing that it had the capacity to surpass human intelligence, leading to unforeseen consequences. Imagine a world where machines make decisions based on cold, calculated logic, prioritizing their own survival over ours. He cautioned against the reckless pursuit of technological advancement without considering the ethical implications. He believed that our scientific endeavors should be guided by wisdom and compassion, not just by blind ambition. The very tools that could elevate humanity, he argued, could also be our undoing if wielded without responsibility. But perhaps his most chilling warning was about ourselves. Hawking believed that our greatest threat was not from the stars, but from within. He saw humanity's flaws, our greed, our aggression, our capacity for self-destruction, as the seeds of our own demise. He challenged us to become better stewards of our planet, to embrace peace and cooperation, and to recognize our interconnectedness with all living things. While we grapple with our own internal struggles, the vast expanse of space holds a myriad of threats that could wipe us out in an instant. From rogue asteroids on a collision course with Earth to deadly gamma-ray bursts from distant stars, the cosmos is a cosmic shooting gallery. Thankfully, NASA stands as our first line of defense, tirelessly scanning the skies, tracking potentially hazardous objects, and developing strategies to protect our planet. Think of them as the guardians of Earth, watching over us as we sleep, unaware of the dangers lurking in the darkness. They've built powerful telescopes, capable of peering into the depths of space, identifying asteroids and comets that might pose a threat to our existence. These celestial wanderers, remnants from the formation of our solar system, hurtle through space at incredible speeds, capable of unleashing unimaginable destruction upon impact. But NASA's mission goes beyond just identifying threats. They're actively developing ways to deflect or destroy them. Imagine giant spacecraft, armed with lasers or kinetic weapons, intercepting an incoming asteroid, nudging it off course or obliterating it into harmless debris. It sounds like science fiction, but these are the very real plans being developed by the brilliant minds at NASA. And it's not just asteroids we need to worry about. Solar flares could cripple our power grids, disrupt communication systems, and send us spiraling back to the Stone Age. As if asteroids and solar flares weren't enough to keep us up at night, there are even more terrifying threats lurking in the depths of the cosmos. Imagine a black hole, a region of space-time where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape its grasp, hurtling towards our solar system. It would warp the fabric of space-time, distorting the orbits of planets, potentially flinging Earth out of the habitable zone. Or consider a gamma-ray burst, the most powerful explosion in the universe, a blinding flash of energy released when a massive star collapses in on itself. If one of these bursts were to occur within a few thousand light-years of Earth, it would bathe our planet in deadly radiation, stripping away our atmosphere. And then there are the mysteries we haven't even begun to comprehend. What about the possibility of advanced alien civilizations, far more technologically advanced than our own? Are they benevolent explorers or conquerors? The universe is a vast and unforgiving place, and while we may feel safe and secure on our little planet, we are constantly at the mercy of forces far beyond our control. Now you might be thinking, this is all too much. Are we doomed? Is there no hope? Well, don't panic just yet. While the threats are real and the future uncertain, science also offers us a lens of understanding, a way to approach these existential questions with a sense of wonder and possibility. The end of the world as we know it is not a new concept. It's a recurring theme in mythology, religion, and even popular culture. But science offers a unique perspective, grounding these fears in tangible evidence while also providing a framework for potential solutions. Yes, the Earth will eventually become uninhabitable, but not necessarily in the way we imagine. The Sun, our life-giving star, will eventually exhaust its nuclear fuel and expand into a red giant, engulfing the inner planets, including Earth. But this event is billions of years in the future, giving us ample time to prepare. Instead of succumbing to fear and despair, we can use this knowledge to fuel our ingenuity, to drive us towards becoming a multi-planetary species. The end of the world as we know it doesn't have to be the end of everything. It can be a catalyst for change, a wake-up call, a reminder of our own mortality and the preciousness of life. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the cosmos, exploring the awe-inspiring and sometimes terrifying possibilities that await us. It's easy to feel overwhelmed by the vastness of the universe and the challenges we face. But remember, we are a species capable of incredible things. The human spirit is defined by its resilience, its curiosity, its unwavering pursuit of knowledge and understanding. We've overcome countless obstacles throughout history, and we will continue to do so, facing the future with courage, ingenuity, and a deep sense of hope. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more intriguing content. Stay curious, and see you next time.